All right, if ElevenLabs isn't working for you, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the most common issues and how to fix them step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, slow or unstable internet can stop audio from generating. Next, try refreshing the page. Sometimes it's just a small glitch and a quick reload fixes it. If that doesn't work, log out of your account and sign back in. This can fix session-related issues. Another common issue, character limits. If your text is too long, it might not generate properly. So try shorter sections. Sometimes the voice or settings can cause problems. Yeah, switch to a different voice or reset your settings and try again. If issues continue, clear your browser cache. This removes temporary bugs that can break the site. Still not working? Try a different browser or device. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause errors. Finally, check if ElevenLabs servers are down. If they are, you'll just need to wait until they fix it. And yeah, that's how you fix most ElevenLabs issues. One of these steps usually solves it pretty quickly.